In the hands of a trained person, portable fire extinguishers are great tools to protect people and property from fire during early stages. When using an extinguisher, it's important to know the characteristics of different fire extinguishers. This video will address the different types of fire extinguishers by breaking them down by their extinguishing agents. According to the 2018 NFPA 10, there are 5 main classes of fire. Class A, the result of common combustible materials such as wood, cloth, paper, and many plastics. Class B, burning flammable liquids, combustible liquids, petroleum gases, oils, alcohols, and flammable gases. Class C, involved energized electrical equipment. Class D, fires and combustible materials such as magnesium, titanium, zirconium, sodium, lithium, and potassium. And Class K, cooking appliance fires involving combustible cooking media such as vegetable or animal oils and fats. The fire tetrahedron is composed of oxygen, heat, fuel, and chemical reaction, the 4 necessary ingredients for a fire. If any of these elements is removed, a fire can be prevented or extinguished. Therefore, the goal of every type of extinguisher is to eliminate one or more of these 4 elements. There are 8 main kinds of fire extinguishers. Water and foam fire extinguishers operate by removing the necessary heat element from the fire tetrahedron. You can use these on Class A fires only. CO2 fire extinguishers remove both oxygen element and the heat element from the fire tetrahedron. Use these on Class B and C fires. Dry chemical fire extinguishers are typically the ABC extinguishers that most people are familiar with. They work by inhibiting the chemical reactions involving heat, fuel, and oxygen. These extinguishers also create a barrier between oxygen and the fuel and elements of the fire tetrahedron. You can use these on Class A, B, and C fires. Wet chemical fire extinguishers remove heat from the tetrahedron and also prevent reignition by implementing a barrier between the oxygen and the fuel elements. These are commonly used to extinguish grease fires in commercial kitchens. You use these on Class K and A fires. Clean agent or halogenated extinguishers work by interrupting the chemical reaction of the fire tetrahedron. Use these on Class B and C fires. Dry powder extinguishers are similar to dry chemical, except they work by separating the fuel from the oxygen or by removing heat from the fire tetrahedron. Used on Class D fires only. Water mist extinguishers remove the heat elements from the fire tetrahedron and serve as an alternative to clean agent extinguishers when contamination is a concern. Use these on Class A and C fires. And then cartridge-operated dry chemical extinguishers are typically chosen for rugged conditions that demand more durability than the common stored pressure dry chemical extinguishers. These are used for B and C fires. To use a fire extinguisher, remember the pass method. Pull the pin located at the top of the fire extinguisher. This will release the locking mechanism, allowing you to discharge the fire extinguisher. Aim the nozzle at the base of the fire, not at the flames. This is extremely important in order to extinguish the fire, as the fuel for the fire must be put out. Squeeze the lever slowly. By squeezing the lever, this will release the extinguishing agent in the fire extinguisher. Do not release the depressed lever until the fire is out. If you release the lever, the extinguishing agent will stop flowing. Sweep from side to side. Move the fire extinguisher back and forth until the fire is completely out. Operate the fire extinguisher from a safe distance, several feet away. Only move towards the fire once the fire starts to diminish. Remember to aim at the base of the fire and not at the flames themselves. Once the fire is out, remain at the scene and monitor the area for a few minutes to ensure that the fire does not reignite. Here at Bear Creek, we store our fire extinguishers on the officer side of 118 and 119. They are dry chemical ABC extinguishers and water extinguishers for stopping incipient fires.